First up, SYN scan. Connect scan. Connect scan is for connection establishment. SYN is for synchronization. Then third one is expanse. Expanse is yes. Then fourth one is null scan. Null scan means checking all the ports are open or closed. We are checking all the ports are closed or not. Okay, now then acknowledgement ACK. ACK is for then FIN scan. Finally UDP scan. So these are the different types of scans we can able to perform on a particular website or network, which is already seen in the previous classes. Now we are going to see different port scanning tools available on the web through which we can able to do port scanning. So what is the goal of port scanning initially? What is the goal of port scanning? So I told you many times, through the ports. If the port is open, services available. Through the ports only, normally attackers may intrude into your particular network or website. So normally we have to know, as a security tester, we have to identify which are the ports open, which are the ports closed clearly, right? So for that, port scanning will be useful. So different tools. Now we are going to see two different tools for port scanning. First one is Nmap, which can be installed in the Linux OS, which is very simple and commonly used tool. Nmap. So here it is mainly used for detecting which OS is presently in a particular computer, and also it has a better graphical user interface. What is it graphical user interface? GUI means we have a design GUI in the front end, right? That is normally we call it as GUI. So instead of giving, normally we all will give some backend comments. Run to Momo comment prompter will do some kind of comments, and then we will be getting back some kind of reply, right? So normally, for example, ping எப்படி பண்ணுவார்? Ping IP address, right? So in the command prompt you will do the ping command ping, then you will specify the IP address, right? So here GUI in the sense special designers created for port scanning alone. That GUI is commonly called as, here it is called as Nmap னு சொல்றாங்க. So better GUI is available so that anybody can able to do port scanning easily, and this tool is open source. We can able to install it in our system. Then the simple one line command can able to do port scanning here. The syntax is like ping. Here we are using the tool Nmap, right? So you have to specify Nmap followed by IP address. What is this? IP address for which we are going to scan. That IP address must be specified here. Nmap followed by IP address. So it will show all the common ports on a particular computer with the status, open, close status. Then suppose I don't need all common ports which are available. I specifically need ACK. I specifically need some kind of SYN. This and all I need, ma'am. So likewise, if you want to do some specific scanning also, which is also applicable in Nmap. We specific ACK மட்டும் பண்ண முடியும். Specific என்ன இருக்கு? SYN, FIN. Likewise, specific scanning is also possible using Nmap. So first tool used, commonly used tool nowadays is Nmap. Second one is Nessus, or we can call it as Open BAS. The advanced version is we are calling this as Open BAS. ports here. If there is any possibility of vulnerabilities means that will also show on the screen. That is the main advantage of another Nessus. Both are ரெண்டுமே எதுக்கான tool? Both are used for code scanning. But additional facility is available in Nessus. Which one is what is the main advantage of Nessus? Vulnerability detection. Not only we are detecting which kind of OS and which are the ports open. Here it also specifies us what are the possible vulnerabilities which can be attacked. So that is the main advantage of another Nessus 2. So two tools commonly available for be louder. Mode scanning is one of the important topic, right? So next one is conducting ping speed. Okay, what is the need of ping? Actually, why we are providing or typing ping command followed by IP address? What is the use of that ping command? To gather information in the sense, in which point of view? Correct na sollu. You are right. Be louder. Location. Correct. Sollu. Active ma? Illa inactive ma correct irukku. Sir, whether we can able to connect to the server presently or not. If you are getting any kind of reply means we can able to connect. If you are not getting any reply means instead of that you are getting error messages like timed out. Marula Kamana request timed out. Likewise, if you are getting any error message means currently you are not able to connect to the server. So in order to identify the connection status, we are using normally ping command, right? So now here, why we are using ping speeds in the sense to identify the IP address which belongs to the active host. We are targeting a particular system. ஒரு target computer வச்சிருக்கோம். அதுக்காக தான் நம்ம as a security tester we are checking what are the ports open, closed, everything we are going to check, right? So for which what are the ports which are connected? அது தெரியணும்ல முதல்ல. So for which we are using the another we are conducting ping speeds to identify all the IP address which belongs to the current active host. Active host na ஒரு computer ஒரு host எடுத்துட்டு அதோட என்னென்ன range of addresses connected that are not identified by conducting the ping speeds. Okay, so what is the problem here in the sense we can able to do ping easily. Ping speed easily. But the thing is, for many reasons, if even though the server is on, if there is any network issue, means we cannot get any reply. Right? Suppose if firewall is installed in the other side means at that time also we cannot able to get any kind of reply. But it will be in an active condition. Am I right or not? Active la irukom. Ana firewall irukku. Then any network issue. For that reason also we cannot able to get any reply. These are the common problems in another ping speeds. Okay. For which, in order to eliminate the different problems, we are having different kind of tools in use nowadays. Now we are going to see all the tools available for ping speeds. Right? Have you copied all these things? Ping speeds to identify the IP address which are connected to the particular active host, right? So that is the use of ping speeds. So I told you earlier, many tools are available for conducting ping speeds. So the first one is FPIN. FPIN is a tool which is used for doing ping for multiple IP addresses simultaneously. At the same time, we ping simultaneously all IP addresses. That is the use of main use of another ping. It is a tool, right? So here it can be installed in Linux OS, and we have two different options for ping. Okay, I told you earlier the main advantage of ping is another ping multiple IP address simultaneously. So what are the different ways for providing multiple IP address? So anyhow you have to specify, right? Am I right or not? Ping followed by IP address. Suppose multiple. If it is 3 IP address means we can able to specify with comma separation, right? Suppose you have lot of IP address in the sense, we have to do some other method, isn't it? பண்ணணும்ல 100 IP address இருக்குன்னா 100 க்கு மேல டைப் பண்ணிருக்கியா? No, isn't it? Am I right or not? So we have two options in ping. Suppose all the IP address are similar conditions in the sense one by one இருந்துச்சுன்னா within the range, in the sense we can able to use ping -g. Okay, -g is the command. You have to specify beginning IP address and the ending IP address. Within the range, it will take all the IP addresses and then we will contact ping. Got it? Right? Within the range, if it is contiguous. Suppose you have different type Manoj. If suppose you have different IP addresses in the sense, we can able to specify as a separate text file. You can save it as a separate text file and then we can able to load it. Suppose if you want that option means you have to use the command ping f is for file. Okay, file IP address dot txt. This is nothing but file name. புரியுதா? பட் பாப்போல ப்ரோ பைதான்ல file name dot txt. It is a text file. That why extension is dot txt. So you have a range of IP address. Contiguous range of IP address means we can able to use என்ன command use பண்ணனும்? ping -g followed by starting IP address, ending IP address. Suppose you have different IP addresses to scan means you have to use file format. The syntax is ping f for file, then file name IP address is file name dot txt. Right? These are the two options given by ping tool. So several parameters present in ping. Lots of parameters available. You can able to search பண்ணி எடுத்து right now different parameters available. So the basic command which are used frequently in the sense a is for line, which is a line condition. Capital A means it will be shown by address. The meaning is A into address we have to specify. Then bn means amount of ping data sent we are sending at a particular time. எவ்வளவு amount of ping data அந்த particular time ல நம்ம send பண்ண போறோம். That will be specified using the parameter cn. Cn means count of pings. How many pings you are sending to particular target. Count of pings to particular target. And capital T is timestamp. What timestamp? Session timestamp for a particular ping speed. Then F is for file. Uploading file format IP addresses. So likewise we have lots of parameters available in regular ping tool. is H ping. So this is also similar to F ping. It is also useful for ping sweeps. But here additionally we have another advantage which is nothing but bypass filtering. It bypasses filtering. So I told you right, the major problem in ping sweep even though it is in live condition, if some kind of fireball is present in the target side means we cannot able to get the reply, isn't it? So that is a problem. I told you right, in order to eliminate that problem, here we can able to bypass filtering also using this HP. So same criteria now. It is also the same but additional advantages. It bypasses filtering. Here also we have lots of parameters available to use in HPing tool. You can able to list out. This command is useful for listing out all the parameters. So this is not hyphen. Okay. The command will be HPing hyphen help pipeline symbol. You know it right? Pipeline symbol list. It will list out all the parameters available in HPing tool. It is somewhat different than FPing. Adla vera parameters irukkum, idla different name la parameters irukkum. So first one is item B is for Shaktipriya. Version C is for count. Their count will be hyphen CN. Count of means we are sending to target. Here hyphen C is count. Then hyphen I is interval. Similar to the timestamp, here we are saying it as interval. Time limit for each and every thing. Then if you are providing hyphen N means the output should be in a numerical format. Now the programming languages la paapola. We will be converting it into float into likewise whatever the format we need we will be converting, right? Type conversion. Likewise here also the formatting output, numeric output. Then if you want to make it sleep for a particular amount of time, hyphen Q. Then in order to bind multiple pings, hyphen or unbind hyphen yes. Likewise, we have several parameters available in the tool HPing also. Right? Got it? So next topic is, so we have seen two tools, right? What are they? FPing and HPing. So next thing is traveling. Boys, what do you want? Don't make noise here. Crafting the IP packets. So crafting the IP packets in the set. So what is the normal flow in the TCP when you want to connect to a particular host? What is the normal flow? First one is synchronization. So you will be sending the synchronization message. You are receiving back even synchronization acknowledgement or reset, right? So if you are not satisfied with the reply message from the host side, receiver side is where the reply message you are not confident, you have some kind of doubt in the sense. So for the same IP address, if you are sending the FIR message means you have to retrieve. You will be retrieving the filtered message details, all the filtered message details from the receiver side. So we are checking that even though if you are getting the reset எப்பலாம் நமக்கு தெரியும்? The connection is port is closed. Even though you are getting the reset from the receiver side, we can able to check the details of whether it is originally closed or not by using the